Hi, my name's Andy Weeks and I'm the tweeterena main developer, and welcome to the 3.1 video preview of tweeterena Plus Professional Edition. So let's go ahead and load up the version 3.1 of tweeterena Plus Professional Edition, and done, off we go. There we are, so you can see straight into the application. The whole application is being completely rebuilt solely for OS 3. Okay, so it will work in 3.1 as well, so it works great in OS 3 and 3.1. However, it will no longer function in OS 2, and this is because we have to move on, and it makes the application a lot more stable rebuilding it in this way. Crashing problems, disappearing mentions, we've fixed them. These were the big changes that we had to make. A lot of it was to do with trying to build for two OSs. We've stripped that all out and gone for OS 3, and it's so much more stable now. So, big changes, let's see what we've got. The first thing is we've improved Facebook integration. We knew before that a lot of people were finding it quite annoying logging in to Facebook and logging out of Facebook. We realised this, thank you for the feedback on that, and we've changed it. So if I go into options, you'll see this has changed slightly. Straight away you'll see a few more features, but we'll go into that in a minute. Let's go to Facebook Connect. Here is Facebook setup screen. So if I click on Connect, I'll enter my Facebook details, Connect. Right, that's connected. I would just need to allow Facebook access, and you'll see there's two things we need to allow now. Step 2, allow tweeterena to access your Facebook. Yes, that's done. Step 3, allow tweeterena to show your friend status updates. Now this is a new feature we've integrated. You'll see there's a button here. If you tap that button, it will show your friend status updates. There you are. So Facebook's friends, you'll be able to see all their updates from direct within tweeterena as well. There's been an improvement as well when you like to tweet. If you go to here, you'll see now we're using checkboxes, so you haven't got to keep logging in and logging out of Facebook. So if I want to update my Facebook status as well as my Twitter status, it's so easy. I tap on Facebook and I can just send it, and I can send that and it will post it to both services. Something else we've done is we've improved the custom backgrounds which came to you in the first version of tweeterena Plus Professional Edition. But custom backgrounds now, if I just choose a photo, that's a nice one, so I'll choose that. Now we've given you the option to choose your text colour. So if you click this, you've got 9 colours you can choose from. The default colour, say if it was white for instance, it gives you a preview. It's not that clear, so you can choose the different colours. That's more vivid. That stands out a bit. That's nice. So I'm going to choose to have dark blue, and it gives you an image preview here. Tap done. When I go into the tweet view now, you'll see there's my background image and there's my new font colour, and again of course in landscape as well. Another great big new feature, and this is quite a big one, is we've added groups to tweeterena Plus Professional Edition 3.1. If we scroll down, here we are, groups, set up a group. So this is great because I can now separate my friends, family, celebrities that I follow, colleagues that I follow into different groups. So let's see, if I click set up a group, let's have one called friends. That's the name of the group, add. There you are, you can see it's added the friends group to the list. Now to add friends into that group, I tap the newly set up group, and tweeterena now knows there's no friends in that list. So what it's doing, it's going off to Twitter and it's downloading all my friends into a list where I'll be able to select who I want into that group. Here it comes, there's quite a lot of friends, which is why it's taking a few moments. Here we go. So let's go down. This is my complete list. I'll have Domnus, who's a fellow developer on this. Voiceover artist as well as one of my friends. So I've just got 2 there. And that's it, that's done. So I'll go back. Now, when I go into the friends group, what tweeterena will do, it will only look for status updates from the people in that list. And there you are, straight away, it's put them down. So voiceover artist and Dominus. These two, this list will integrate it based on the time the tweet was sent. It won't just show 2 separate lists. It'll put everything in order, chronological order for you. So voiceover artist obviously hasn't updated today, but Dominus has updated quite a bit today. Oh, there we are. Swipe to the right and tap delete. Tap delete. So that's groups. We've enhanced watch users as well. So if I want to add somebody to my watch users list, put Dominus in there, add. There we go, tap. Now, before you couldn't really do much in here. We've completely changed it. You can now tap a tweet. It pops up with this screen here. You can message a person, you can retweet it, you can reply them, go straight to their profile, all from just tapping a tweet. Top of the list, again, you'll see some extra buttons. We've got public timeline. tweeterena Plus Professional Edition now has public timeline inbuilt. There you go. So this is not necessarily people I'm following, it's just the latest tweets on Twitter. And again, if I see something I like, you can tap it. Let's see. Tap it, and you can just reply, retweet, profile that person, message that person, all from within there. Another new feature of tweeterena Plus Professional Edition is the search for user button. Just a handy little feature where if you wanted to search for any user you wanted, I don't know, let's see who's got iPhone. Search for that, and it will go straight to that person's profile. There we are, the iPhone profile. And from there you can follow that person, you can block that person, you can view their large profile image. I don't know, let's follow this person. I've got a really cool Twitter name. There we go, we'll go back. Just a handy thing so you can quickly add people. Something else that's new for you is you can now choose which image service you would like to use. We've got there image services. We've got TwitPic, which was the one we had before. You've got Twitter Pics, Posterous, YFrog, IMGLY. You can use any of these. The default service will be set to IMGLY, mainly because we like the way that integrates into tweeterena better. So let's just choose what we want. I'll go with that one. And then what will happen is, when I tweet, you can see the button there says upload. I tap upload, use library. I don't know, let's choose that picture, that's nice. Uploading photos straight away. Puts it straight in, and you can see it's IMGLY. Let's tweet that. And then if we go in, you'll see that it does integrate it far better into tweeterena. There we are, that's IMGLY. And all the others work just the same as that. My profile's been improved as well. If you want to go into followers or friends, you can tap. If you want to block somebody who's following you, straight away you can go straight in there. You can just tap and it'll take you straight to their profile, and it's easy to block or unblock this person. There you go, blocked. Let's just unblock them. So that's nice and easy. That wasn't available before. If we go down now, we've got the option to add separator lines. A lot of people were saying that they wanted that, so that is now an option in settings. You can turn that on. So when I go back into tweeterena Professional Edition, there you are, you've got the lines to separate your tweets automatically. And that applies to all views. Thank you for using tweeterena, and we really hope you enjoy tweeterena Plus Professional Edition 3.1.